how to watch together on Discord. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Discord, any particular channel. You can create channels quite easily. Then open up any voice channel, the general one, and here you get this particular option of share your screen. Simply click on it. After that, you can select whether you want to screen any particular Chrome tab or a Chrome window or the entire screen. So this is how you would be able to share it up. In some cases, you might not be able to do it. For this, you will have to open up the settings of your Discord. Under the settings, you would be able to find the option of advanced settings. Here, you will get the hardware acceleration option. Simply turn that off, and after that, you can try it again and it should work. So this is how you would be able to screen your entire screen or any particular tab on your device, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.